Hi guys, hi guys, welcome to my channel. My channel name is Physics underscore Mountain or Smart Physics 786. This is my channel. I request you to all members, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay. Now I'm going to take here new chapter, that is the first year topic, that is the oscillation. In that oscillation we are having here two LAQs. And 2 marks questions also available in that question, and along with this question you will get here problems also and 2 marks small questions also. Okay, now I'm taking here one first LAQ, that is show that the motion of a simple pendulum is simple harmonic, and hence we have to deduce the one formula for the time period. Okay, time period t is equal to 2 pi under root of L by G. We have to derive from this question. Okay, and now along with this question we will get here another one question, that is seconds pendulum, or if you are getting here any problem, that problem is also most important here. Okay, and now see here, first of all see here simple pendulum. Simple pendulum. First of all, what is a simple pendulum? Simple pendulum is nothing but simply we can write here. Let us consider we are taking one string. It is suspended from a rigid support and tie at another side is the given weight it is attached. That is called here simple pendulum. See here, simple pendulum is nothing but, let us consider we are taking one string. Free end of the string it is suspended one given object. This is called here bob. This is called here bob. Okay, this bob attached at the free end of the string, and the string is suspended from your rigid support. This is called here simple pendulum. And in that simple pendulum, what is the length of the pendulum? Sir, means suspension of the point to midpoint of the gravity of the bob. Suspension of the point to midpoint of the gravity of the bob. This is called here length of the pendulum. This is called here length of the pendulum. Okay guys, and now see the next one. This pendulum means the given object, that is the bob, hold the bob and pull as a small angular displacement. Pull as a small angular displacement. Pull as a small angular displacement. It is making an angle theta here. The theta value is less than 5 degrees. The theta value is less than 5 degrees. See here. So it can be moves how much distance it can be here. Pulls are mean, that is the x distance. This is called here arc. This is called here arc. And now see here, the weight of the bob it can be worked downward direction, that is mg, and weight of the bob it can be worked downward direction, that is mg. This mg can be resolving two rectangular components. One is the horizontal component. Horizontal means it can be worked along the string. It can be worked along the string, that is mg cos theta. And another one force will be worked, that is mg sin theta. It can be worked perpendicular to the string. That is perpendicular to the string, mg sin theta. Mg cos theta, mg can be resolving here two rectangular components. One is the mg cos theta, it can be worked along the string, and mg sin theta it can be worked perpendicular to the string. When the mg cos theta it can be worked along the string, opposite another one force will be worked, that is the tension in the string, capital T. That is a tension in the string, that is a capital T. Okay guys, and now see here, whenever you have to pull the bob as a small angular displacement with applying the force, and another one force will be worked opposite to that force. So that is called here restoring force. Okay, that is called here restoring force. So we can write here F is equals to minus mg sine theta. Because if here applied force is capital F and opposite force will be which force can be work opposite mean that is the mg sine theta. So that's why we are taking here F is equals to minus mg sine theta. Okay, and now according to the Newton's second law, F is equals to F is equals to ma. Now we have to substitute replace of F ma. So we will get here ma is equals to minus mg sine theta. Now see here small m is cancelled. Now you will get here a is equals to minus g into sine theta. This is okay. And now see here theta value is less than 5 degrees. Less than 5 degree means in sine values, sine 90 is 1. So whenever you have to substitute this theta value less than 5 degrees, sine 4, sine 2, this value is very less. Too much less. So that's why we are taking here replace of sine theta is equivalent to theta. So replace of sine theta we are going to take here theta and also. So what is the theta? First of all I am writing. A is equals to minus g into theta. Okay, this one also came. And next one here theta means. So what is the theta? We are having one formula. Theta means nothing but arc of length by radius. Arc by radius. Arc value how much here sir? This is the arc here. When the pendulum can be pulled as a small angular displacement, it will be get here arc x by and radius means nothing but here L length. Why we are taking sir L? So see here sir, see whenever you have to hold the bob, whenever it will be rotate in a circular motion. Okay, when it will be rotate in a circular motion, this length of the pendulum it will be behave like as here radius of the circle. Okay. So now here theta is equals to x by L. This value also and this value can be substituted replace of theta. You will get again a is equals to minus g into theta value is x by L. Then again we can write a is equals to minus of g by L into x. This is the equation number 1. Okay guys, this is the equation number 1. And now see here this equation comparing with above equation comparing with simple harmonic motion equation, that is a is equals to minus omega square x, that is a is equals to minus omega square x. This equation is 2. Now equation 1 is equals to equation 2 we have to take here. Then we can write here minus omega square x is equals to minus g by L into x. Here minus cancel and x also cancel. So you will get the equation again. See here omega square is equals to g by L. Then again omega is equals to under root of g by L. This is the omega is equals to under root of g by L. Now everyone you know this one. And next what is the time period? But time period t is equals to 2 pi by omega. What is the time period sir means? The time taken for one complete oscillation. That is called here time period. So here t is equals to 2 pi by omega. So replace of omega you have to substitute that omega value. Then you will get here t is equals to 2 pi by omega value is under root of g by L. Whenever this denominator value if you have to write as a numerator, then the value will be changed. T is equals to 2 pi under root of L by G. This is the time period formula. This is the required formula for this question. From this question, what we are going to derive here? Time period formula. The time period formula is T is equals to 2 pi under root of L by G, where L is the length of the pendulum and G is the gravitation of the bob. Okay? And next one, from this formula also we are going to find here frequency. What is the frequency first of all? What is the frequency, sir? Means see here, but I am writing again. But the frequency value is that is equals to N, also we can write N. That the reciprocal of time period is known as frequency. The reciprocal of time period is known as frequency. 1 by T. N is equals to 1 by T. So we can write we can write equation N is equals to 1 by 2 pi under root of G by L. Directly I am written here that equation. See, whenever we have to write in the denominator that under root of L by G, whenever we have to write in the numerator, then the value will be changed and that is under root of G by L. Okay? Okay guys, this is the most important LAQ in that final exam. 100% this question will be come. So I request you to all members, more and more practice you have to do. Okay, for this question. With the diagram. For diagram also we are having here 1 mark and for the remaining part we are having here another 1 mark. So along with this question you will get another one question. What is that, sir? Means what is seconds pendulum? Along with this question you will get here another one question, that is a 2 mark question. What is the 2 mark question, sir? Means what is seconds pendulum? What is a seconds pendulum? A simple pendulum whose time period is 2 seconds. A simple pendulum whose time period is 2 seconds. That is called here seconds pendulum. This is a 2 mark question. Okay? I think everybody you understood. This is the most important LAQ, sir. Okay? I request you once again, I request you to all members, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. Bye.